Hey everyone, it's Susan Jones. Welcome back to Susan's Sunday Spotlight. This week I have a fun end of the year review game for you to play, and it is called Shootin' Hoops. That was embarrassing, but I do know how to play basketball. I played my entire life, so hopefully I'll be good at this game. Before we get started, I do want to wish all of the moms out there a very happy Mother's Day. This should be uploaded on Mother's Day, so I hope you are, if you are a mom, I hope you are having a great time with your kids, or maybe getting a time away from the kids, whatever, up to you. And if not, I hope you are able to think of your mom or call your mom on this special day. So this game is very similar to, a college game that some of you might have played before, where you take a ping pong ball and you stand and you try to shoot the ball into the red solo cups, and when you hit the solo cup you get something special. Very similar. So all you're going to need for this game are some Dixie cups. I like the small ones for this game. And then you need a ball of some sort. So I have used a couple things in the past. I've used cheese balls, which are fun and it's like a snack, but they do create a lot of crumbs. I just want to let you know. If you choose to do that for the end of the year fun, it's totally fine, but just it is a little messy. But these pom-poms actually work just fine. So these are little pom-pom balls that you can find at a craft store. They come in all different colors, and they work perfectly for the game as well, and they don't make a mess. So I've created this board here, and you can see on the board it has plus and minus and different numbers. And what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you will put a cup on each of the circles. So then students will get in groups of 2, and I usually kind of separate the desks a little bit. I don't want to get them too far. These, especially if you're using pom-pom balls, they don't travel too far, and I don't want them throwing the ball and whipping them so then all the cups will fall over. These work perfectly if you stand a couple feet away. And basically I'll give each group of students, so each pair will have about 4 different pom-poms. And so each of them will get 2, and they will shoot until they get them in a cup. Both sides will take turns until all 4 balls are in a cup, and what they'll do afterwards is whatever ones they got in, they will remove those cups and reveal their sum. So of course in first grade I'm going to teach them to add up all the numbers first, and then if they have any negatives they will take those away, and they will see which team got the higher score. Whatever team gets the higher score is the winner. I'm sure you can already tell that your students will probably love this game. Honestly, my students would play this game over and over and over. They just loved it. So we always did at least a best of 3. Now, if you don't have a sheet like this, or you don't want to make a sheet like this, that is no problem. What you can do is you can still take 10 cups and set them up in that classic pyramid shape. And then at the bottom of each cup, you can go ahead and write the numbers there. So you can write +2, +5, -3, whatever you want to do on there. And then whatever cups they hit, the students remove them, and that's how they find their total. This game, Shootin' Hoops, and these little recording sheets are something that are in my Countdown to Summer pack. At the end of the year, I love to have like full themed days where we review everything we've learned so far. So for this day, this activity was on Sports Day. So I would basically have a math, literacy, science, reading, writing, an activity and lesson that reviews all the first grade standards, all around sports on that day. I even use, so when I do use the cheese balls, I even make these cute little snacks. I'll insert a picture here so you can see them. Just little basketball hoops that they actually create, and they get to eat that for a fun snack. I will link that down below in case you want to see some of the fun activities we do. And you can even grab a full day's worth of ice cream themed lessons. The unit itself has 6 full days. The ice cream one is included, so the ice cream one you can try out for free to see if that is something you would like to do. So that's how you play Shootin' Hoops. As you can see, I'm sure your students are going to love this math review game, and I know I talked about it for first grade and the sheet I showed is for first grade, but really the way you can play is you can really adapt those numbers to be anything, so this works grades K through 5, however you want to play. If you like this game, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you use this game in your classroom, please feel free to tag me at susanjonesteaching on Instagram, or send me an email, write a comment. Just let me know that you are having fun with these games. If you want to see more from me, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell. That's the only way you'll get notified every single week of my new videos. See you later. Bye. That is close. I don't know why I feel weird saying beer pong on my channel. So anyway, it's pretty